Hi, welcome to Opto Engineering's Tech Insights. As discussed previously, in the world of manufacturing and quality control, precision is paramount. Every detail matters, especially in industries where safety and reliability are non-negotiable. In pharmaceutical manufacturing, telecentric lenses meticulously inspect glass containers, capsules, vials, and more, guaranteeing perfect sealing and damage prevention. Similarly, in the beverage industry, these lenses measure the threads of glass bottlenecks with unparalleled precision. In the electronics industry, telecentric lenses play a crucial role in inspecting connectors, resistors, transistors, and integrated circuits. These lenses ensure that components are manufactured within specific tolerances and that connections are precise and secure. Telecentric lenses are also making strides in emerging industries. In solar cell manufacturing, near infrared, telecentric lenses are used for integrity checks, while silicon wafers and LCD surfaces benefit from precise imaging. Telecentric lenses are also employed in particle measurement, high precision color measurement, photolithography mask measurement, filter control, and even blood analysis and cell counting. From automotive to pharmaceuticals, electronics to solar energy, telecentric lenses are the go-to solution for precision measurement and defect detection in the machine vision industry. With their unmatched accuracy and versatility, Opto Engineering telecentric lenses continue to push the boundaries of what's possible in the machine vision industry, ensuring that every product meets the highest standards of quality and reliability. Check out more tech insights on social platforms and on our website.